Your professional dashboard is basically a traffic light system for your account health, and it's actually pretty simple to read. The green light means go. Everything is active, set up and working exactly as it should. If you see the yellow, it's a warning sign. It means something is restricted or something needs your attention before you can fully grow. And if you see blue, it usually means there is an active, ongoing process like an open support ticket. Stop guessing what's happening with your page. Just take 30 seconds to look at the colours and you'll know exactly where you stand. Is your dashboard looking green today? If you're serious about being a creator, you need to know where your money status stands. Head to your professional dashboard and look at your monetization tab. See that green dot? That's your all clear signal. It means your account health and your tools like stars or in-stream ads are active and ready to earn. If that dot is grey or missing, it usually means your setup isn't complete or there's a restriction you need to address. Don't guess with your income. Check that dashboard regularly to make sure you're actually in the game. So, are you currently seeing the green light on your profile? Let me know below. If your growth feels stalled, you need to check your profile recommendation status in your professional dashboard. Think of this as Facebook's way of saying whether or not they're actively putting your content in front of new people. If it says recommended, you're in the clear. But if you see a warning about audiences, it means your content might be flagged for things like sensitive topics, which limit your reach to new followers. Now, it's not necessarily a ban, but it is a signal you need to review your recent posts. Keep an eye on this so you know exactly why your numbers might have dipped. Have you been flagged recently? Let's talk about it. You spend hours creating content, so don't let other people just swipe it. Inside your professional dashboard, you'll find content protection. When this is active, Facebook systems run in the background to spot when your original videos are being re-uploaded by other pages. It's your digital do not copy sign. You can decide whether to track those copies, block them, or release them. It's an essential tool for protecting your brand and making sure the engagement stays on your page where it belongs. Make sure this is toggled on. Are you using the feature yet? Let me know in the comments. Now let's be honest, being a creator isn't always smooth sailing. Sometimes you'll have issues, and that's what the support section in your dashboard is for. If you see a blue dot next to your support ticket, it just means you've got an open case that Meta is working on. It's a normal part of running a page. Using this official channel is always better than guessing or stressing in the dark. The big takeaway is check this section regularly. Being a pro means staying on top of your own business. It's all about staying consistent and informed. How's your page health looking this week? And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. My name's lathonmb and some of my other videos should be popping up around here, so don't forget to give them a watch. And you know what I always say? I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra!